The banana is an amazing plant. We can eat the fruit ripe or raw, the stem, and even the fractal wonder that is the banana flower, provided you painstakingly remove all the pistils and stamens from all the florets. But unless you're a cow or goat, the leaf is not edible because it is largely made of cellulose and hemicellulose, which humans cannot digest. But we can eat food on top of the banana leaf, after which it can be fed to cows and goats. And that's environment friendly. But there are some amazingly aromatic and healthy polyphenols in the banana leaf that you don't get much of if you just simply eat food on top of it. To get those, you have to steam food inside the banana leaf. The leaf has an epicuticular wax that covers its surface. This is something the plant produces to prevent the leaf from drying up and also keep hungry caterpillars away. When you wrap food like idli or fish in banana leaves and cook it, this epicuticular wax melts. And all those valuable polyphenols are fat soluble. So this highly flavored, almost ghee-like liquid mixes with your food and lends it an unforgettable flavor. What you can also do is take freshly cooked hot food and wrap it in these leaves and let it sit for an hour and then refrigerate it and eat it the next day. Leftover flavor improvement plus epicuticular wax.